This is an elevator. ThssenKrupp.
You can say hi. He doesn't bite. These are pretty dog too. She doesn't bite. Look at her. Aww. She got on her nose. She's scared of us. She loves us to death. The door open?
The door open.
Thank you. Gotta press it. These elevators are something else.
Yeah, I'm just doing videos of elevators for community.
Really? For them or
For me.
Oh, okay.
For them because
The other elevator wouldn't go down.
yeah,
to the first floor.
what happened?
Somebody said. She's right here. She's right there. Somebody said chocolate. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, doggy.
I'm just doing research on elevators.
Oh, okay.
Where we press mommy first? Where? Two?
Hold on.
Two?
Okay, Lauren, can you move all the way back? Move forward. One way more. Move to the...
Not working? Yeah, but it's not working.
Be careful because you might press a button. This is for emergency. Doesn't say where the 35 on it.
Okay, this is first. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get out of here. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. Watch out, baby.
Okay.
Thank you, mijo.
Some water. And then it can look around.